Shear. I shear a few sheep by hand every spring. I am shearing the ram right now. I have just shorn my first lamb of the season. I have been shearing at the farm all week. I sheared 30 ewes before lunch yesterday. I was shearing the flock when the clippers overheated. I had shorn the whole herd before the buyer came. I had been shearing for hours before my arm ached. I will shear the alpacas tomorrow morning. I will be shearing at the county show all day. I will have shorn every sheep by the end of the season. By June, I will have been shearing on this farm for 10 years.